What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, it's going to be a super quick one, guys. This is a Degen farm. It is somewhat risky, so guys, keep this in mind. This one actually scored a medium score on RugDoc, so keep that in mind while we're going through this video. But anyways, guys, we're going to teach you guys about Cobra swap. And guys, before you just like switch over and just turn it off, look at these APRs. 388,000% APR. Like, it's just printing and spitting out money like nuts and ham. So like this $470 was earned on like a deposit of $1,500 within a matter of an hour. So that's ridiculous returns. But anyways, that's just how you guys can conceptualize it. But we'll go ahead and explain Cobra. And yes, it does come with a, I guess you can say, a fine line, because a lot of these tokens are locked up. So theoretically, in about an hour, I got $4.80. Still, that's a really good APR, and we're going to explain Cobra swap. But first off, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys do three things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, and leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribed. You will automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. So guys, if you like free BTC, y'all know what to do. So let's go ahead and explain Cobra swap to you guys, and we're going to provide liquidity and show you guys how to do it. It's pretty easy. First thing you need to know is Cobra swap is on the Binance Smart Chain. By the way, guys, if you want to get into these farms before they even launch, or not launch, but before I even feature them on my channel, catch me in the Telegram chat. Just ask what farms I'm in, and I'll spit them at you. And we got a really vibrant community in the Telegram chat. It's in the link in the description below, and you can kind of get some alpha. So first off, let me go ahead and explain a couple of the mechanics of Cobra swap. This farm literally launched, I think it was like yesterday or something like that. But a couple of mechanics you need to know. I got to go to the Telegram to show you. So as you guys can see here in the Telegram chat, these are the different addresses that you have right here. The rewards begin unlocking February 14th. 2022 and February or 14th of February 2023. That's when 95% of them are going to be locked. So most of these tokens are locked up and you cannot use them. So again, 99% are locked, 1% are unlocked for the first week at an emission rate of 512x. That is nuts. And then the second week, it's going to be 3% will be unlocked. The third week, 5% unlock. And then, well, after that, 5% unlocked for the rest of the minting process until, well, the emission schedule, which is February 14th, 2022 and February 14th, 2023. So the assumption for the farm APR you're going to be looking at is just on the 1%, 3%, and 5%. So unless you're bullish on this token, I would say dumping the 5% that you get, but that's just me personally. And then obviously you're forced in keeping the other 95%, and it doesn't unlock like initially, like instantly on February 14th. It's a time released unlock over a year, and it depends on the block counts. But if this project's around and it is successful, well, you're going to have a big bag of Cobra tokens. So it's like one of those things, time will tell. They have a similar mechanism on Viper swap. It's a little bit different on Cobra because Cobra is on the Binance Smart Chain. It is not on Harmony One. So Harmony One and on Cobra swap, they're two different, or Harmony One and Binance Smart Chain, those are two different ones. I don't know, maybe time will tell. We'll see what happens, but still the farming idea is really interesting. So here's what you need to know. This is the medium risk on RugDoc. So guys, this is a risky farm. Keep that in mind. They can set the max transfer rate to 0, so basically blocking all transactions. The burn rate can be set to 100%, so it also blocks all transactions. And the operator set the Uniswap router to a custom contract so it can steal the transfer fees. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Those are just the different features that are on Panther. So that's just a typical Panther fork. That's not saying Cobra swap is doing that, but it's something you guys should keep in mind. And this explains the mission schedule of Cobra as well. Like I explained in the Telegram chat, this is the same thing over here. So if you guys didn't see my video on BAO Finance, they have a similar token lockup mechanism on BAO. It's the same thing that they have on Cobra swap. So when you guys are getting into this protocol, this is something very important to understand, guys. Just like Viper Swap, staking fees, it's the same thing for Cobra Swap. It's literally the same thing, but on Binance Smart Chain. The deposit fees on Cobra Swap are 0%. Great, easy in, but hard out. Withdrawal fees in Cobra Swap range from 25% to 0.01%. So you have a slashing fee of 25% if you withdraw it in the same block. You don't have to worry about that unless you're doing flash loans. But if you're looking to deposit for 1 hour, well, you're going to have an 8% withdrawal fee just to withdraw after your deposit. 4% after 1 day, 2% after 3 days, 1% after 5, and I'm sure you guys can read, and then obviously 0.01% after 4 weeks. So the reason they make this is to prevent and disincentivize short-term farming. But the selling pressure will still be there. As you guys can see, it's literally just printing some Cobra tokens. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Like literally, let me just show you guys. So right now, pending rewards are 145. This was after I already claimed after about an hour. It's crazy. So also another thing to factor in is that it's calculated based on the block time. So like if the blocks take a little bit longer, it will take a little bit longer on the fee system. So if it's right after 4 weeks, just be careful. Make sure it's the right amount of blocks. But this is just the average time frame. Just to be on the safe side, I would probably wait a couple days if you're waiting it out, type of thing, but that's just to factor it in as well. And then this talks about the Cobra pit. If you guys have some Cobra tokens, well, you can easily just exchange them and deposit them onto the protocol. So if you go to the Cobra pit, which is under staking, you hit Cobra pit, you can deposit the tokens into there. However, you can only deposit the tokens that are unlocked. So you cannot use all of your tokens. And this earns a third of the generated fees. So that's basically how you can use Cobra Swap. Now we're going to show you guys how to provide liquidity. It's basically a self-explanatory farm, and we're going to go ahead and do this. So we're going to do 2 Cobra tokens, and we're going to go ahead and swap it. The reason why I only do 2 is, well, guys, I'm providing liquidity, so I have to provide it equally on both sides. So we are going to hit swap, make sure the slippage isn't nuts and ham, and we're going to swap these tokens out. So we're going to hit confirm swap, and boom, bang, done. So now we got 2 Cobra, well, not 2 Cobra tokens, but 2 BNB worth of Cobra tokens coming our way, and we're going to go to pool. So we are going to add liquidity, and we are going to do Cobra and BNB. So all you got to do is hit max, and, well, actually you can't do max. I got to do max on the Cobra because I actually got more BNB for transaction fees. Make sure you guys don't do max amount of BNB because you need to have your transaction fees. But actually, better yet, just don't go into this pool because I'm already in it and you're going to hurt my rewards. So please just go to a different pool. I'm just showing you guys an example. There's 4 different pools, so guys, just use the other pools, please. In fact, by the time this video gets out, the Cobra Viper one will probably be way better, trust me. Just go to that one. Like, don't go in mine. Like, look, 382, so much better. And you literally hit manage and you can deposit all of them into there. So you literally just say boom, bang, done. Let's do max and we'll hit deposit and we get the Venom LP and we're going to hit deposit and it's deposited. So now you guys can see literally I just claimed this like a minute ago and I already got 7 Cobras. Well, how much is 1 Cobra? 1 Cobra is sitting at like $3 or $4. So anyways, guys, just so you guys can theorize that and understand that, that's really it. That's how you guys can use. Actually, it's about $2. That's how you guys can use Cobra Swap. How you can take advantage of the liquidity and earnings. And something else you guys need to understand is, look, when I withdraw, my current withdrawal fee is 4% because I've been over here longer than an hour. It's been about 2 hours now. So now you guys can see and conceptualize that. Make sure you guys are taking into consideration these time frames. Like I told you, I'll show you guys the withdrawal fees again right here. So it's been about not even a day yet. So that's how you guys can understand it. And me personally, what I say is the best thing to do is, well, farm and dump. And obviously your rest of the Cobra is locked up. So if you guys enjoyed the video, 3 things for me: like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribed. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 and free BTC. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. As always, guys, we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 20, verses 24. A person's steps are directed by the Lord. How then can anyone understand their own way? Well, yeah, they are directed by the Lord, but God still gives you a choice. Make sure you make that right choice. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bam, bam. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.